In this video, I will teach you on how you can download and install the best adult application on your Firestick. Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Zino in the building, and I've gotten a lot of requests regarding on how to install the best adult applications. That's what I'm going to teach you today. If you want something on the side or some excitement with your partner, I don't care. All I'm here to do is to guide you through that process. In addition to that, I will also show you a way to get all the other applications, exclusive applications. So just to be clear, no matter your level of experience, this journey is for everyone. All you have to do is follow each step carefully till the end for the best results. So how about we don't waste any more time and we dive right into it. The first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to your settings gear all the way to the right. Go ahead and click on My Fire TV. And here we're going to click on About, and we're going to enable developer options by pressing on your Fire TV stick, the menu that I am on right now, 7 times. Just by clicking on it 7 times, okay, on the remote control, you will become a developer. Nothing so excitement in it. You will see the developer options appearing, and make sure to enable debugging. That being said, you can press the home button, and we're going to go ahead to the search magnifier, and we're going to search for an application that is called Downloader. By typing it in the D, I already see it appearing. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to be this orange icon right here. Click on it. And one more time to confirm download and installation. That's how easy this part is. And all you have to do right now is wait patiently. For anyone that wants some online security, we also have a link, a discount code for NordVPN. So you can have your privacy regarding all this. If you don't want to pay for one, the one that I use freely, because I use the NordVPN, but if I don't, then I use Proton. That's totally free. Let's go ahead and skip that and open up the download application. Confirm access. If you don't confirm access, it won't work. Go ahead and click OK. And here you'll have a search bar. Before we continue right here, let's go ahead and press the home button. And we're going to go ahead and go back to My Fire TV. We're going to go into developer options. We're going to go to install unknown applications, and you want to make sure to toggle on the downloader app. Now we can press the home button again, open up the downloader app, and here we're going to press in a code, and that's going to be 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 3. Go ahead and press the play button to confirm, and it will start loading up to this website, because that's what it actually is. It's a URL, but instead of typing a URL, we just type in a code, and now it's going to load up that site, which is actually an application. And just wait patiently. Sorry if I'm giving too much information, just like to share it. Go ahead, and I'm right in front of the install button right here on this side. So what you have to do is you have to press down and then right, so you will hover over the installation button. Go ahead and click OK to confirm that you want this to be installed. That being said, it's already done. Before we open it up, press the home button again. You will be taken back to the home screen, and then once again you have to go to the settings gear, click on My Fire TV. You're in developer options right now. Press back once and press enter again to go enter install unknown apps. And you want to toggle on this app we just installed. That being said, we're heading towards the end of this process. Let's go ahead and open up that app we just downloaded. There you go. There you go. Oh shit. There you go. And yes, this is what essentially this is you add a library with exclusive applications that you may or may not have come across before. You're going to click on add a new library, and here we're going to type in a word, the library code word, that's going to be called everything. Go ahead and type it in, and everything. I'm a bit slow, sorry about that. Let's go ahead and press next. And here the first thing that you are going to see is a welcoming message. The purpose of this tutorial is to guide you through the process of showing you how to download and install the adult application. And in this library you will also find different various applications that will give you all sort of content. That being said, the welcoming message is a solution to all those applications where you have to download multiple ones, 10, maybe 15. And with this welcoming message, you can get a subscription to get only one application that has all that and everything else in the world. So that's pretty awesome. That's what I use day-to-day base for all the content. If I want adult, it's that. If I want sport, etc., etc. Can't go too much into it, but I'll leave the link on the screen, maybe a QR code. Check it out if you want. And if you don't, this is the free version. I'm just here to guide you through all the possibilities and the best ways and the cheapest ways and the free ways. It doesn't matter to me, whatever you prefer. Every person is a bit different. They have their own preferences in apps. That being said, when you enter the store, this is how it looks like. I'm sorry, it's not clear for you. You'll see all files. I believe there are about 70 applications right there, and everything is categorized. You'll first see all files. If you go down, you see the number 1 applications. Those are the ones that I use on a day-to-day basis. You know, that's the one that I just mentioned with the welcoming message. If you go down one more, you'll see adult. You have 3 options. Those are currently the best options, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to install an application, but I'm going to show one that's clearly the process of this. It will be the same for these 3 applications, and more will be added. So keep in mind, you want to stay in here. Let's go down, all the way down. Again, you have so many applications. Let's go ahead and install this one right here. It's going to be a background killer that's going to speed up your Fire Stick whenever you've had too many applications open. I always recommend to do once every while, just unplugging the Fire Stick from the outlet, putting it back in for a hard restart. And this is also a good combo to have it additionally. Let's go ahead and click on it, click download, and click install. And that's how easy it is. This is of course much faster because it's not that big of an app. I can press done, and we can press the home button, and let's go to our applications. By the way, this application was even already installed, or else it would have asked you to confirm installation. That being said, you've seen how it works. It's very easy, and that's it. Now it killed all the background applications. I can also quickly, for anyone that has some doubts, show you how to install that app. The purpose of this tutorial app, let's go ahead and click on it. So there's 3 applications. Try them out, see what fits you the best. If one is not working, let me know. This one just came out. Let's go ahead and install it. So this is what it will ask you to confirm installation. Press down right. It's gonna start installing. Unfortunately, I can't show you all these parts. You're gonna have to take my word for it that it's installed and it's working right here. There you go. So that's one of the 3, and there's more, and more will come. That being said, this video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to leave me some feedback. See you in the next one.